such thing as bad memory, only an untrained one. Yan ang sabi ng world champs na makakasama natin today.
Sila lang naman ang dalawang Pinoy na pambato natin pagdating sa memory games sa labas ng bansa. Sino nga ba sila? Watch this.
Pinahanga ng dalawang Pinoy ang mundo nang sumabak sila sa 2010 UK Open International Memory Championships na ginanap sa London noong August 26 to 27. Naiuwi ni Johan Randall Abrina ang kanyang first Grandmaster norm at silver medal kung saan nagkabisa siya ng one deck of cards in just 1 minute and 20 seconds. Nasira naman ni Robert Rakasa ang record na hawak ng United States. Nagkabisa siya ng 3 decks of cards and 768 binary numbers in just 30 minutes. Ang galing ng Pinoy, di ba? Paano nga ba magkakaroon ng memory na singtalas ng isipan nila? We will find out straight from Johan Abrina and Robert Rakasa here on The Sweet Life.
At Isa, nandito nga sila ngayon. Ipapakita nila sa atin ang ilan sa mga ginagawa nila sa isang memory competition, katulad ng playing cards at human calendar. Playing cards muna, Johan.
Johan?
Okay, so with this one, I'll let you shuffle this one.
Oh, me? Oh, okay.
Okay.
Nagulat. Hold on.
Then, after shuffling that, I will memorize it in a couple of minutes, and then I will rearrange the card sa another deck. Okay, thank you. How about?
Okay. As if alam ko, no? Hindi na ako marunong.
Parang may ano to ah. Palaban to ah.
Diba? Yun pala.
Oh, okay. Thank you. And then I'll just put it.
Alam niyo na ako hindi ah.
So, anong klaseng anong araw?
Anong araw?
Ganyan.
So, explain ko muna. Yung ginagamit kasi natin yan is Gregorian calendar. Nag-start yan October 15, 1582 hanggang year December 31, 9,999. So, yung entire dates na yun, minemorize namin. And then, pag tinanong kami ngayon kung anong mga birthday, pinanganak, kung kailan nangyari itong ganito, so na-identify namin yung specific date. Yung day, dun sa date na yun.
Okay, ang day ang huhulaan natin
Yeah,
ngayon.
yung
Like, what day was February 14, 1920?
It's a Saturday.
Ay, ang galing mo. Tama. Isa, girl, ano yung birthday? Anong birthday? Aray, anong birthday ng boyfriend mo?
Ay, ayoko sabihin.
Ah, sige. Birthday ng daddy mo.
Nakagalit.
Birthday ng daddy mo.
January 20, 19. Ako, kasi pabago-bago siya ng date. Nagpapabagets.
19 ano?
Ewan ko, 45 yata.
Sige, sabihin na natin.
45.
January 20, 1945 is what day?
It's a Saturday.
Also, that's
Amazing.
right. Teka, hahanapin ko.
Daddy mo naman, si daddy mo naman.
Hindi, yung ano,
Kay Kuya Rick.
yung pagkakasal ko. April 28, 1998 is what day?
It's a Tuesday.
Ay, bongga, tama. What day is September 8, 1984?
1984, it's a Saturday.
Hala, bakit
What
puro
about
Saturday nahuhulaan, no?
September 5, 1986.
It's a Friday.
Friday daw.
Tama. How long did you work on this calendar?
Etong calendar kasi, lahat coded. Yung day, yung month, yung year, tsaka yung century, lahat yun coded. So, ang ginawa namin, minemorize namin yung mga codes, tapos, after mong ma-memorize yung mga codes, meron na lang simple computation na dapat gawin. So, pinapractice namin sa software, araw-araw, 100 to 500 dates per day. Kaya namin naman.
Wow, that's a lot
There's
of
a pattern
numbers.
to everything, no? Para siyang, like, if your birthday is a Saturday this year, the next year is going to be a Sunday. Parang ganon. Hindi.
Not all the
May
time,
occasion
unless
na
it's
Kasi
leap year.
minsan nagli-leap year.
Yeah.
I've arranged this one according sa order nito, and then bababa natin sabay.
Sabi
You've arranged it according to this order.
Yeah.
In just a matter of like what? 5 minutes, thereabouts.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, check natin. 1. Okay.
Really amazing.
Grabe. That's why they won the medals. Anyway, Lucy, kasama din natin today ang kanilang delegation head and coach. Please welcome Mr. Marlon Bernardino.
Hello, Marlon. Kapag ba, does it follow good memory is equivalent to intelligence? Do you believe that?
Siyempre, like sa pag-aaral, kung matalas yung memorya mo, mataas yung grade mo, matalino ka. Pero sa cases ng dalawang player natin, yun yung rote memory, natural yun. Sila may sistema.
Sana isa meron to when we were studying. It would have
Yeah.
made life so much easier. There should be a subject on memory alone.
I think that's what they're trying to do now.
Really?
Nilalapit nila sa mga schools, tapos itinuturo nila sa kids for free.
Yeah, actually,
Isn't it?
unang ginawa namin na magtatayo kami ng association, Philippine Memory Sports Council. Then may mga tinap na kami, like mga local governments, PCSO, then magtuturo sa mga kids.
Oh, that's
Siguro
really
isa pang
good.
tanong dito kung ano bang benefits neto.
Okay, meron daw kayong pinaghahandaan din na event?
This coming December 1 to 6, we'll be competing in Guangzhou, China. And then, doon natin try makuha yung Grandmaster.
Every day you train? Every
How
day?
long?
How long?
Usually, nag-start kami ng 1 p.m. dun sa center hanggang 12 o'clock ng gabi.
12
Nag-train kami dun.
Wow.
Hard work, ha? It's a lot of hard work also. Thank you, guys. Good luck.
Thank you. Good luck for December. Bakit nga ba nagiging makakalimutin ng isang tao at paano natin ito maiiwasan? Yan ang aalamin natin when we return.
Sa isang